welcome back to my channel. This is Destined for Beauty. If it's your first time here, girl, hey, my name is Destiny. Welcome to my channel. I do videos on beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. And today I'm coming to y'all with a nice beauty video on how to do your eyebrows. So girl, if you like what you see, if you like my vibe, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Please be sure to subscribe to me, leave me a comment, follow me on other socials like Instagram. I have my name down in the description bar at Destiny. But yeah, girl, we're gonna go ahead and get into these eyebrows because you could really have eyebrows and do anything. So we are gonna go ahead and get that popping today. So if you want to see how I do my eyebrows, girl, be sure to continue to watch. Okay, girl, so what you want to do is start with a clean face. Of course, you need a clean face to do your eyebrows. This can be for if you're just wearing like a normal everyday face, or if you're about to really do your makeup and do it up. The way that I'm going to show you today can be used for both and with multiple products. You can kind of pick and choose what you prefer to use depending on where you're going. So I do have somewhere to go today, so I am going to use a pomade for my brows. This is the e.l.f. brow pomade. I think it's in like darkest brown, and then I have the e.l.f. pencil as well. So I'm going to kind of do a variation of the two. What we're going to do is I like to first, for one, I use a double-ended brush. So for the pomade, I have a brush, and then I'm also going to clean the brows up. So I have another dual-ended brush like this. This one's the Morphe R44 brush. So I have two of them, and I use one for the pomade and I use one for the concealer to clean our brows up. So the first thing I do is I use the spoolie, right? They are not the cleanest. I'm trying to kind of let them grow and see if they'll do anything, but I do kind of go in like under here and take away little bits of hair just so that when I fill my brows in, they don't look super cray-cray. Just dip into the pomade. So I take the edge of the brush and like I really kind of dip the flat part in there, and then I swipe it to get the sides of the brush, and then I take the cap and I press both sides of it to get all the product just on the bridge of the brush down the skinny portion. And what I do, I kind of just brush my brows upward so I can see what I got going on. I'm gonna take this here. We are going to start at the very front of my natural brow and just start with a rough line. So that gives you a nice basis of like where the brow can be. And with the pomade or with the pencil, then you run right across the top. So I'm gonna fill them in. So just a nice light line right across there, and then drag it down. And just light pressure. And I'm gonna fill in my tail. And I like to use it slanted like this and just draw little lines. Girl, nothing perfect, like you're coloring, just stay in the lines. So to me, if you're going for like super natural, like this is a very natural brow, take your spoolie back through it. Just like so. And then what I do to kind of thin out the front more is I just rub more in the front, but really lightly to kind of thin that out. Boom. And then what I do is take my other concealer brush, dip it off in some concealer, essentially kind of like the same method, swipe it down the straightaway portion, get it on my brush. And for the concealer, I start right in the front and just draw a line right up against the shadow. And I drag it all the way across. And then I take whatever's on the brush and line it up and run it right across the top. but for the most part, girl, that's a brow. And really, like, you know, you can really see the difference in the brows. So from that to this, you know? So I'm gonna go ahead and finish my other brow and I'll let y'all watch the process. Yeah, girl. And just like that, we got brows, girl. We got brows, okay? Just like that, you know? So once you get these brows on, girl, you are pretty much Gucci. You know what I'm saying? You can throw on some gloss. You can put on a little face powder if you wanted to. Or girl, you could just put on some moisturizer, some tinted moisturizer, and you're good to go. But those are your brows. Now, they take a little practice, girl. It takes a little practice, you know what I'm saying? It still takes practice to kind of get them to be on one accord. But once you know what I'm saying, experiment with it, practice on it, you get better at it, girl, for sure. Because you can't always, they're not always sisters. They're not always, but you know, it works out. So yeah, girl, that's our eyebrow tutorial for today. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please be sure to subscribe. Again, if you are a new girl, hey, join the D4B family. Become a part of our family here, girl. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the notification bell. Leave me a comment down below. Be sure to like this video and share this video with your friends or family, girl. So until next time, y'all, bye.